how to create domain name for website. So I'm having a link in the video description. Just click on it. There's an affiliate link. It is going to bring you here to this platform, and then simply come here to where we have the marketing tools, okay, and then under it simply come here to the design tools, okay. So where you have the right arrow, put the mouse there and then come down to where we have the business name generator. It is an AI featured, and then simply come and then click on it, okay. So when you come here, simply come and then click on business name generator, and it is going to bring you right here to this place. And then when you come here, you have to come and then put in the keyword of your website, okay. So let's say you are into how to make money. The keyword is going to be cash, money, currency, crypto, anything related to your website, okay. So these are the keywords that I'm going to put in. So as you can see, money, cash, finance, investment, dollar, Bitcoin, crypto, coin, currency. So put something like this right there. It has to be related to your niche, okay. And then after that, simply come here to where you have the extension, and then come and then click on the down arrow, okay. So when you click on the down arrow, simply come and then select a .com, okay. So you have to come and then select a .com, and then any other tool that you prefer. So the any other tool is going to be online and then net. So .com, online and net, and then come and then make sure that this is checked. So they are going to show you in a form of a logo, okay, so that if you like the logo, you can save it, and then simply come and then click on this, okay, and then come and then choose the style of your logo or the font of your logo. So I'm simply going to select the first one, okay. It is nice, and then after that you have to come and then select the color, okay. So since it is going to be displayed in a logo form, you have to choose a color for the website. So I'm going to select the purple, and then you have to come and then select some of the icons, okay, that is related to your website. So I'm simply going to go through and then select a dollar sign, okay. So I'm simply going to select this one, and after selecting on it, simply come here to where you have the generate, and then come and click on the generate, and then wait for your domain name to be suggested for you, okay. So the AI has automatically generated some of the domain names for us. So this one is here. So as you can see, it is nice. Let me zoom in for you to see the name. So it is here. So this one is nice. If you want it, you can choose it as your domain name, okay. Beside that one too, you can scroll through and then look at this one is also there. It is also nice. If you want it, you can choose it as your domain name. And then this one here, money I.online. I think I like this one, and then as you can see, it is .online and it is cheap as well. So if you want it, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on add to cart, because you have to buy the domain and it will be yours, and then come here to where we have the checkout, and then come and click on the checkout, okay. So over here you are going to see the price of it, the subtotal. What you have to do is simply come and then click on confirm order, so that if you are ready to purchase the domain, you can simply go ahead and purchase it. So you have to come and then create an account by simply clicking on sign up for the first time, and then over here you have to come and then create a username, okay. So you put in your username there, then come and then put in a password, a strong password. I recommend you confirm your password. You put in your first name, then you put in your last name, then you come and then put in your email address, and then you come and then check the box right here to receive newsletters from them, and you can simply come and then click on create account and continue, because if you have the domain name and then you don't purchase it, it is not yours, okay. So you have to purchase it. So you have to fill all these informations. It is simple and easy, and when you are done, what you have to do is to simply go ahead and purchase it if you are ready, okay. So within the cart, you are going to see a domain name here, the subtotal is here, then come and then click on the continue, okay, if you're ready. So you click on continue, and then over here it is going to take you to the domain privacy, okay. So we have the domain privacy right here, and simply come here to the continue, and then come and click on the continue, okay. So the payment method, it depends on you. You can choose a bank card okay, and then you can choose PayPal. I think the PayPal is one of the best for online payments, so you can come and then check PayPal. And then with the PayPal, the opportunity that you have is that you have to confirm your order. Okay, you have to confirm the order first before they will deduct the amount. Okay, so the PayPal is good if you are ready to purchase your domain name, and then you have to simply review your purchase. Okay, and over here it's important to come and then check this box so that it will automatically renew for you. Okay, so you always have to renew it, but if you check it, it will automatically renew for you. Then come and then click on continue, and over here you will see that you have your history here, the domain name is here, and you will see the price of it. Okay, so it is very cheap, and after that you can simply come here. So as you can see, you are also given a free domain privacy. Okay, it is for lifetime. Okay, so when you are ready, simply come here to the PayPal side and then come and click on checkout with PayPal, and then you have to log into your PayPal to allow the payment. Okay, by simply putting your PayPal email address here, and then you confirm the payment. And after that, that domain name that you have been able to create is going to be yours. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.